Are you looking to potentially jump into the real estate business and flip some properties and start owning properties, but you feel like you might be in over your head, or you might not have the right people to help you out, and you feel like you just don't understand what you're trying to do? A huge benefit to solving this is to bring on partners. Today, I wanted to talk about 4 reasons why I find value in partnerships or joint ventures and how I think this can be beneficial for you. Hey guys, Matt Teifke, broker and partner at Teifke Real Estate. Please like and subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. I want to give you a little background on myself with partnerships. So I've done multiple partnerships over the years, and I found that there's a ton of value to finding the right people. I struggled through finding my own deals, working my way through, making my own mistakes, and I've done dozens of partnerships, dozens of properties that I've acquired. And what I want to share today is tips that I think you'll find valuable and insight into my mind as far as why do I do partnerships. These are the 4 things that I find in partnerships that make them beneficial, so let's dive in. Number 1, finding partners that have different skill sets can be amazing. Everyone can zone in on what they're best at, and everyone gets in their own lane, and then everybody thrives. So we all don't have every kind of tool and every kind of skill set in our belt, and so find somebody that complements you. Maybe you're not organized, but they are. Maybe you're not a handyman, but they are. So if you can find someone that brings something to the table, that's a great value. Number 2, ultimately, you're splitting everything in half. So your expenses are gonna be cut in half. Yes, your profits are gonna be cut in half as well, but you're gonna have less risk and you're gonna have someone that has your back. And so when you have an unexpected $20,000 expense, well, now it's $10,000 per person. So there's less money that's required to get properties and projects completed. Number 3, you're gonna have less time committed, right? You're gonna be putting in your part of the work, in your part of the equation, and then someone else is gonna be doing the same. So this allows you to free yourself up to do multiple projects, to take on multiple things if you want to. Number 4, you're gonna have leverage with these partnerships, right? You're gonna have the ability to use this on your balance sheet. You're gonna be able to get a better term on the loan because someone is gonna be guaranteeing the loan with you, which makes you a stronger borrower to the bank. And so leveraging skill sets and leveraging time, having less money, these are all reasons why I think that partnerships or joint ventures can be a great option to have when acquiring real estate. So if you guys are looking to joint venture, create any new type of partnerships, we're here to help. We have the contracts, we have the resources that are needed. Please just reach out. We want to add as much value as we can. Feel free to comment below with any questions. We'll make sure to get back to you, like our channel, and go out there and get some deals done.